In what ways can we effectively utilize AI with Grok? To generate and produce extended high-quality video content for YouTube. When you go to the Grok website, which I'll put the link in the first comment, you need to set this section to video mode. Once you've set it to video mode, if you want to create long videos, make sure to select this size specifically for YouTube. Now, if you want to make a YouTube short, you can find the short size here. After you've set it to video mode and chosen your preferred size, you need to go into the ChatGPT AI. So you tell the AI about the video you have in mind. For example, here I told the AI that I want a video showing a fight between a leopard and lions. And for every prompt it writes for me, the video should be 5 seconds long. That's because we're going to take all these 5 to 15-second videos that Grok makes for us and turn them into a longer video ourselves using different software like ImChat or any other software you use to edit videos. So we navigate into the interface. Carefully type in our specific prompt, and once we've given it the prompt, we submit the request to the system and patiently wait a few moments for the video to be fully generated. You wait for this video to be created, and then you copy another command from here and send that command again. Alright, go ahead and delete this first command that you see, then proceed to send that exact same command once more, and finally download all the videos that have been created. Once you've downloaded them, you open one of the video editing software programs and merge these videos together to turn them into a longer video.